for the sign of Taurus, what are all you guys going through for the next 10 days? So let's see what you guys are up to right now. What is your soulmate up to? What are their feelings towards you, energy, intentions? What are they wanting to offer you now versus the future, and the long term outcome as well as the short term outcome? Okay. So yeah, welcome to the channel. And this is your reading for the next 10 days. So what is happening in Taurus life currently? What is happening? So right now we have one card for you that fell off. That is the Justice card. So I believe you guys are wanting to do the right thing. You're majorly focused on balancing your life. You have already gone through the necessary lessons that kind of put you back on track in life. You no longer are wanting to repeat those lessons. Currently you're majorly focused on balance, peace, and like bringing back your life on track. Okay. With Six of Cups, there could be a return of a soulmate. Okay, someone you've already known. With Three of Cups, this is majorly a friend from the past. I believe that is wanting to see you, or you will meet them very very soon. Okay, when I say very soon, it is like the next 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, so let's see what else you guys are going through, Taurus. Okay. Right now, Three of Pentacles is in the reverse. So I believe whoever you are dealing with in terms of relationship wasn't very much like putting in the necessary effort, like when it comes to relationship. They were not ready to partner up with you. They were not ready to work this out with you. It always seemed like a one-sided effort, like you were doing it all and they were just not really bothered about it. With Nine of Wands in the at the bottom, I definitely feel you have gone through this for a long time now. I believe for some of you it is like almost 9 months, close to 9 months. And with Strength card right now, I believe that you are trying to find the strength necessary to possibly move forward in life. You are no longer going like wanting to be used or wanting to feel depleted or taken for granted. Okay, if someone treats you bad with the justice like as your prime energy, you are wanting to cut them off. Okay, basically from your life, not like chop their head off or something. There is a possibility that you guys could meet someone new. Okay, when I say new, it doesn't have to be a brand new person. This could be someone you've already known in terms of friends or a colleague. Okay, so yes, in terms of your soulmate, how are they coming forward? In terms of your soulmate, one card for their energy towards you now. In terms of your work life as well, I feel some of you guys are finding it difficult to possibly work as a team because the other people are not possibly cooperating. Okay, in terms of your soulmate, I believe with the Moon card here, this person hasn't been very open about their life. Okay, they've been hiding secrets from you that you should have known but you do not know. Okay, with Wheel of Fortune, this person was way too focused in the future as to what will happen in the future, always wanting to put in their effort into their work life, career, whatever business. Okay, and I feel they were not really keeping you as the top priority. Their future, their life was their main scene. Okay, top card we have is Queen of Pentacles. For some of you, it could be a possibility that this person was already in another relationship and they've been hiding that from you. Okay, and you got to know about it, and now you're possibly trying to cut out of that connection. Okay, not for all, for some of you. For some of you, your person is way too self-indulgent. They are all about themselves. Okay, so take what resonates. One card for the energy towards you now. One card for the energy towards you now. In terms of Ten of Pentacles, I believe for some of you this might be a work relationship. Like you guys know each other through work, but in terms of their energy towards you, I feel with Ten of Pentacles, you know I believe that you guys are still wanting to keep this going because of the stability it could have had or will have. Okay, it doesn't make sense, right? But this person isn't wanting to give up on you. Okay, with temperance card at the bottom, whenever you try to find your way out of the connection, they always try to fix it, right? Top card we have is page of wands. I believe right now they want, like, possibly wanting to talk to you about something. Okay, there is definitely communication coming your way. They are not wanting to lose you because you are very much stable in life, I believe. And if it's not that, then they look at you as a very stable partner, as someone they would not want to lose. Okay, so one card for how are the possible and come forward towards you now. How are the possible and come forward towards you now. With five of wands, they are possibly wanting to let go of the unnecessary ego issues, pride issues, possibly wanting to let go of the fights you guys could have, petty arguments. They are wanting to come forward now. In the past, they were all about mind games, all about wanting to win every argument, just acting childish as fuck. Okay, with two of pentacles right now, if they had to make a choice, I believe that they are possibly wanting to do that. Like, majorly they are focused on bringing balance in this connection. Okay, that's what I feel with the temperance card here. In terms of how are they thinking about you, in terms of how are they possibly thinking about you, Taurus, for the next 10 days. With the world card, there's definitely separation between the two of you. They know that they haven't been doing much in this connection with Six of Pentacles. They know that they are responsible for it, and if they want to work this out, they'll possibly have to do extra or put in extra effort to balance out this connection with you. Right now, they know that you are not very open to them, and they know that they have done you wrong. They also know that they have been very much selfish, okay, prideful, and very much all about themselves, and they see how they have treated you wrong now. Okay, with Six of Pentacles, they know that you have done a lot for them. Okay, some of you could have also helped them financially. Okay, with Six of Pentacles, this person, and with Six of Swords, if this person lives at a distance, like let's say there's physical distance like between the two of you, then this person is definitely coming in to see you. Okay, they'll definitely want to travel in order to see you. Okay, you give me one more card as to. Okay, with the Emperor card, this person wants to fix this with you, but I believe some of you guys could be dealing with someone who's very stubborn. Okay, could be could be a Aries, or could be a Capricorn, could also be a Sagittarius. Okay, but the Ten of Cups, they want to fix this with you. Okay, what do they have in mind? Why are they doing this? What do they have in mind? Okay, with Four of Cups, they do not want to lose this opportunity. Okay, they certainly do not want to lose this opportunity with you. They look at you as someone very stable, if not financially, then in terms of a long-term partner, they would not want to lose this chance with you. Okay, in terms of how do they feel for you now? How do they truly feel for you now? With Chariot in the reverse, I believe this person has never been very open about their feelings. Okay, they've always been hiding. They've always given you mixed signals, right? They've never been very honest about how they truly feel for you. With Six of Wands, they loved when you chased them or when you were running after them. That fed their ego. That made them feel superior. That made them feel good. Okay, but yes, in terms of how they feel about you right now, there might be certain blockages. For some of you, you could have blocked this person as well, but yes, they want your attention. They certainly do want your attention. Okay, how do they feel when they miss you? Some of you could be also dealing with a Cancer or a Scorpio with the Moon card and the Chariot. I see the Death in the reverse, so they still feel like there is unfinished business. between the two of you. They know that this is certainly not over, and there needs to be a reshot. I want to offer you now. What is this person truly wanting to offer you now? We have a Page of Swords in the reverse. As of now, this person may still behave childish. Okay, they may still be stalking you, still be keeping a watch on you, still wanting to know what you are up to. Okay, with Knight of Wands, I see this person wanting to flirt with you, or like wanting to bring in some sexual energy. Okay, so yes, you might be having a very good time in the coming couple of weeks. Okay, so I see some sexual intimacy happening if you are open for that. Okay, if you're not, then not. But with Seven of Wands, they are wanting to fight for this connection. Okay, right now they might not directly offer you commitment, but yes, they'll start off with flirting. Okay, as of now, they are stalking you, they are keeping a watch on you. Okay, that I could be very certain about. One card for how do they view this connection now? How do they truly view this connection now? In terms of how they view the connection, we have Queen of Swords in the reverse, and we have Two of Wands. So they basically feel like you both are at crossroads. If you guys do not talk, or you guys do not communicate, I believe they know that you both are basically not wanting to open up because of your pride issues or whatever issues that you guys are hiding. Okay, but they know that it's at crossroads. Okay, top card here we have is Seven of Pentacles. They know that this will be a task if they want to get back with you. Okay, that is very clear from this from the cards I'm getting here. With Queen of Swords in the reverse, they feel like the last time you guys spoke, you guys could have been very rude and very manipulative as well. Okay, one card for how do they view you now? How do they truly view you? How do they truly view you? Okay. In terms of Wheel of Fortune in the reverse, they feel like sometimes they might also feel like this was a karmic connection. Do not get me wrong here, that they were meant to meet you for spiritual or whatever lessons that they had to learn, maybe karmic lessons. They also see you as someone who is right now not very open to them. With Wheel of Fortune, they see that you are not really looking forward to them anymore. Okay, in the past, you were doing all the effort, you were wanting and forcefully making this work. But right now, with Wheel of Fortune in the reverse, they see that you have taken a step back and possibly walking in a different direction altogether. Okay, top card here is Three of Wands. They know that you have your back turns away from them. Okay, so yes. One card for how do they view themselves? How do they truly view themselves? For some of you, this might be a long distance relationship. Okay, they view themselves as the devil. That is toxic. They feel like they are toxic to you, or they are a bad person. Okay, they do not view themselves in the right light. Okay, they look at themselves as someone who is not a good influence to you, or not a good energy around you. The devil is a very bad energy where they feel like they have a lot of issues, certain degree of addictions that could be affecting them. Okay, you know better. They could look at themselves as emotionally manipulative. Okay, or someone who gets things done easily by like offering sexually. Maybe I do not know, but that's something I'm getting very clear. Okay, one card for where this is going forward for now. Where is this possibly going forward for now? Where is this possibly going forward for now? Okay. We have the Queen of Wands. I believe you are not very open to this connection, darling, and that could delay the process. Okay. With Star card, however, this has the possibility of moving forward, regarded you stay open to them. I know that this person has done you wrong, and you're listening to your intuition, and that is telling you to possibly give it more time instead of making a fast call for it. But yes, in terms of how, what are their true intentions towards you? What are their true intentions towards you? If we may know, Spirit, what are their true intentions towards you? Okay. In terms of intentions, I still see a certain degree of them wanting to hold back. Okay, still very much manipulative, still trying to use their like manipulative tactics for getting back to you. Okay, with Three of Swords, if this person is in a third party, okay, they are still not open to you in terms of commitment. I believe they want to keep this very sexual. Okay, or like a third party totally. Okay, if they are married or if they have someone else. If they are single, then they are not very forthcoming. They want to take more time. They'll want to manipulate you into taking action, or possibly try to get a reaction from you by doing something. Okay, in terms of what action are they wanting to take towards you now, what action are they possibly wanting to take towards you, but please be careful. Knight of Swords in the reverse is not a good energy. Okay, yeah, with Eight of Cups in the reverse, they do not want to walk away from you. At the same time, I do not see them completely coming forward honestly. They still are very much deceptive. Okay, I am not liking their energy, to be honest. Okay, still very much deceptive, and they see themselves as the devil card. I mean, they know that they are wrong. They know that they are toxic. Okay, so one last card for what can you possibly expect from them for the next 10 days. What can you possibly expect from them for the next 10 days? With Five of Cups, do not really expect much from this person. I still feel this person is very selfish and will do whatever is best for them. They are not taking your best interest in mind. They are all about themselves, and I still feel they'll always be all about themselves. In terms of if you have a new person or a new partner, what are they up to in terms of that? This might be the possible Taurus doing it. It might go vice versa. So take it as it resonates. I'm not really calling you guys out. Okay. With the Sun in the reverse and the Hanged Man. Right now, whoever you are a part of, that is going to stay at a standstill, because your person wants to know more about you. They are not going to jump in the connection if it's new. They are possibly going to want to know you more. Okay, and with the Sun in the reverse, there is a certain degree of waiting phase that's going to be going on, like a stagnant phase. Okay, with Seven of Cups, there could be certain degree of confusion as well. Other than that, financially, what do you see for Taurus? Other than that, okay. With Three of Wands, some of your work projects that you have worked on, or whatever you have been putting efforts in, the results are yet to come, and you're possibly waiting for the results. Okay. Top card we have is the Tower card. You are basically waiting for a breakthrough. Some of you guys could be waiting for a new call, like a new job call. Okay. With the Lovers card and King of Swords, I believe the next 10 days is not a very great phase for you. Okay, it is going to go through a lot of ups and downs, but financially I do not see a lot of problems. But in your love life, I see a huge stagnant like energy going on. Okay, stagnancy is what I feel. But in terms of friendship wise, I see you guys meeting new people, but that is going to be on hold. I mean, you can't really expect meeting someone and falling in love instantly, right, after going through so much of shit thanks to your past person. Okay, so yes, this is what I have for you for the sign of Taurus. I know I've kind of little messed it up a bit, like thanks to my stammering issues, but that's my problem. I'm really sorry for that, but yeah, if you like really resonated with the reading, do consider hitting the like button. I am starting Taurus from now on, so please support the sign, support the channel, support the video. Okay, so that I could do more of this. Thank you for coming in, thank you for your support, and see you soon, guys. Cheers and happy holidays.